Welcome to our tutorial on how to calculate size of capacitor to improve power factor. A load of 200 kVA exists at 480 voltage with a power factor of 80%. Determine amount of capacitance required to improve the power factor to 95%. kVAR at 80% power factor equal to under root square of kVA minus under root square of kilowatt. So kVAR at 80% power factor equal to 120, since the real power of a load is not changed when the power factor is improved. We can use the known real power and desired power factor to calculate the new kVAR value in vector triangle. So now kVAR at 95% power factor. Under root of square of kilowatt divided by power factor minus under root of square of kilowatt. So required kVAR for power factor correction equal to 120 minus 52.58. That is 67.42.